Alice Earth has a brand new feature called daily logins. We have the ability to log in and earn Alice bucks as you log in. Pretty easy, pretty simple, and every time you log in, you have a higher chance of earning more Alice bucks. So let's go ahead and show you guys right quick on how to earn this, basically by logging in. So basically, once you look at your daily login, you guys can click collect, and as you collect, you have an Alice buck. And as you scroll down, you have a higher chance of logging in and gaining more and more Alice bucks. So as you gain over this period of time, through 7 days, through the 14 days, and going all the way down to 90 days, you guys have the ability to earn 200 Alice bucks, right? And also joining the Alice Explorer Club, you guys have the opportunity to earn more, as you see 90, 90, and 90, all the way to 1,200, right? And that'll come later on within this year. You guys can check the roadmap as well on Alice Earth. If you guys want to learn more about Alice Earth and Jump Token, definitely subscribe and stay tuned to more updates.